There's a man in the funny papers we all know. He lives way back a long time ago. He don't eat nothing.
Traditional Euclidean exponential series. In this demonstration, we are going to be demonstrating how to do a formal mathematical write-up based on fact. All information processing is affected by binary recursion. Therefore, the only thing we are given is the unit, or what Plato called our starting definition. The write-up is a record of every operation we perform on that unit, and the results of our write-up is then only in terms of the unit, and some of the operations performed. We are factually mapping our behavior in order to inform how to arrive at a product. One can liken it to a cookbook. One can then say, what we are going to be learning is what may be predicated of anything, is wholly determined by the definition of that thing. In this demonstration we will be using two figures, which for some odd reason, never came down to us in Euclid's Elements. The first is the reciprocal figure, and the second a method of using it to demonstrate to an exponential series with it. This lack of availability in Euclid led scholars to declare that one could not demonstrate exponential notation using geometry, which I read for myself in an intermediate algebra book. I found that statement very strange because the figure, which I have in my Euclidean quest from 1993, is very simple. As one can see by the MathCAD worksheet, it only involves the simple. As AE is to AD, so too is AD to AF. AEADADAF. One can say, a formal write-up is a memory map, our cultural inheritance, or more correctly, our species' inheritance of how we behave. Therefore, committed to memory, the unit is a metaphor for anything. What can be predicated of that thing are standards of behavior which that thing can demonstrate. A formal demonstration is a memory map, designed for recursive application. The same process is performed on the same thing, produce the same results. So, if things do not happen as you wrote them, it is the writer who does not have their shit straight, not the universe misbehaving. Binary recursion can only produce a binary result.
False words are not only evil in themselves, but they infect the mind with evil. Phaedo by Plato,